I'm Shirley Herring, and this is
Miss Pike.
we are with the Communities in Schools program here at South Belton Middle School.
We offer a lot of services for you and your student.
Some of the things we can do is just provide, I feel like this is one of the most important. We can provide extra support and reinforcement for your child while they're on campus. Having another caring adult besides their teachers is sometimes a good thing. And we also do things such as helping with food, clothing, things like that. And a lot of families right now with COVID, and we all know how that's affected us. And we would like to step up and be assistance to you and your children if we can this school year.
Oftentimes, the students who come into CIS, they say that their time here in the office is a brain break. They like to come in here and eat lunch with their friends, play games. If they forget items that they might need for any of their classes, such as pencils, paper, they come in here and we have it available for them.
Anyone qualifies, any of the students qualify for the CIS program. They do need a parent permission form signed, so you can reach out to us through the front office here at South Belton.